The DAF lane departure warning system is a safety system which detects drifting and alerts the driver to ensure the vehicle remains in the correct lane. The system uses camera-based technology fitted behind the windscreen to track the vehicle's position against the lane markings. When the vehicle drifts outside the lane, the radio is muted and a distinctive rumble strip noise is activated from a speaker at the corresponding side of the vehicle. This warning sound alerts the driver to correct the steering from the left or the right and remain in the lane. When the driver uses the indicator to turn left or right, the LWS system recognises the planned manoeuvre and overrules the LWS warning. Reduce the risks and stay on the right track with the DAF lane departure warning system